How Americans Build Wealth. Cooper explains. Okay, listen. My shirt says don't trust me, but today I'm actually going to explain something useful. How Americans build wealth. Not lottery tickets, not magic, real steps. Step number 1. Earn more than you spend. Sounds boring, I know. If you spend more than you make, you're building wealth for the credit card company. Step number 2. Save first, spend later. Smart Americans treat savings like a bill. If you wait until the end of the month, guess what's left? Usually, nothing but pizza receipts. Step number 3. Invest your money. This is where wealth really grows. Imagine thousands of tiny workers inside your wallet, building houses and collecting rent. Step number 4. Use retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs. They give tax advantages. That's basically the government saying, good job, responsible human. Step number 5. Buy assets, not liabilities. Wealthy Americans buy things that make money. Poor Cooper buys things that eat money, like this popcorn machine I used twice. Step number 6. Real estate. Many Americans build wealth through property. Step number 7. Long-term thinking. Think in decades, not weeks. Compound interest is basically money making babies. And those babies making more babies. Financial rabbits everywhere. So, let's review before my shirt gets me into trouble. Spend less, save, invest, use retirement accounts, buy assets, real estate, and think long-term. If you ignore these steps, your future self might show up and yell at you. Now, if you excuse me, I need to go invest in something responsible, like pizza futures.